Hi students, I am Sandeep Kasde. We all are discussing on WhatsApp. I am giving you a homework and you are doing this and you are showing us also. Thank you for everyone. So, but there are some problems. I am giving you homework but I can't explain very important things. So, I am going to make this video. This is the video of the question paper format of the English, and it is very important to explain you because प्रत्येकाच्या डोळ्याच्या समोर इंग्रजीचा क्वेश्चन पेपर पाहिजे. ज्याच्या वेळी आपण इंग्रजीचा अभ्यास करतो त्यावेळी आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर इंग्रजी क्वेश्चन फॉर्मॅट पाहिजे. म्हणजे त्यामध्ये सेक्शन कोणता, सेक्शन क्वेश्चन्स कोणता, क्वेश्चन नंबर हा किती नंबरला विचारला जातो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5वा कोणता आहे, दॅट मीन्स. सो एव्हरीवन हॅव टू राईट ऑन द फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ युअर नोटबुक ऑफ द इंग्लिश. सो this is the question paper format. There are 6 sections. Section number A, language study for 10 marks. Section 2, scene paragraph for 20 marks. Section 3, poetry 10 marks. Section 4, unseen paragraph 15 marks. Section 5, writing skill 20 marks, and section number 6, skill development 5 marks. And now we are going to explain this all. Let's go. In section number 1 there is a question number 1, A and B. A and B totally for 10 marks. A, do as directed. You have to write any 4. You are asked 6 questions and you have to write 4 for 8 marks, and B for 2 marks you have to write a single one and you are given just 2 sentences, 2 questions. Both questions for 10 marks. Then section number 2, scene paragraph, that we have seen already in our textbook, for 20 marks. There are 2 paragraphs. You are asked for 2 paragraphs. Each paragraph for 10 marks. Second B paragraph also for 10 marks. Totally 20 marks. Then section number 3, poetry. 10 marks. Poetry also for the 10 marks. But the stanza, question number 3, A and B. A, you are asked a stanza and some questions with the reference of this stanza for 5 marks, and appreciation of the poem for 5 marks also. That means 5, 5, 10. Section number 4, unseen paragraph for 15 marks. Question number 4, section number 4. In this question number 4, A and B, unseen paragraph for 10 marks, same like the seen paragraph. But we can't and we did not study of this paragraph. Okay. Then B, summary writing. You have to write 1/3 paragraph about this given paragraph, unseen paragraph. It is for 5 marks, totally 15 marks. Section number 5, writing skill 20 marks. That is very important, and each questions are depend on your knowledge. Question number 5 and question number 6 are in this section number 5. You have to write 4 questions only. In question number 5, just you have to write 2, and question number 6, just you have to write 2. A, letter writing. A1 formal and A2 informal. You have to write any one of these 2. Or question for 5 marks. B, do any one of the following, B1 and B2. B1 or B2. B1, what is dialogues writing. B2, prepare a speech. If you can write dialogue you may write. If you want to write, otherwise you would like to give a speech, you can write, you can prepare this speech. In question number 6a, information transfer means you have to transfer the information from the non-verbal to the verbal, or verbal to non-verbal. There are two questions. You have to write a single one for the 5 marks. Just too easy. Clearly write it. Then B, expand the theme. B, B1 and B2. Also same like question number 6a. B1 or B2. B1 news report or B2 complete the story. You have to write single one of this both. Then section number 6, skill development for 5 marks. Question number 7, translation of the words, sentences, idioms, proverbs, etc. There are also 3 questions. In question number 1, some words. In question number 2, some proverbs. And in question number 3, means related to this question number 7 only. And 3 also, you are given a single sentence for a single mark. That is like, this is the question paper format, and everyone have to write this question paper format on the first page of your notebook of the English, because everyone have to know, everyone have to write, everyone have to manage the time for each question, because it is language question and it is very important subject, and also it is very easy subject. Okay, thank you, best luck.